Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about the best app to transfer data from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer your data, so let's see how can you do this. Here's the best app. You just have to install Easy Share in your phone, just tap on it, and here just open the same app in the other phone. Just like that. From here, just select file transfer, then select the same option here, and here you just have to select from which phone you want to send data or which phone you want to receive. And I'm going to send from this phone and receive from this phone, so just select the options, and here it will start for scanning through the nearby devices, so you just have to wait for it, or you can easily using a QR code to connect. Just tap on it, then tap on scan to connect to scan the QR code, but I'm going to connect just typing on the name. Here you can see these devices are being connected. You just have to wait for this, and after that we will transfer our data, so just wait for this until this connected. Here the devices are connected. You just have to go back, and here just select the apps, videos, images, music, files or contacts which you want to share. And I'm going to share a simple app. From here just select the app and then tap on send to send it. So that's how you can easily transfer your data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.